Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to find your Chase card number online using the Chase app. Later in this video, I'll also show you my favorite service to transfer money internationally for very low fees. First, open the Chase app on your phone and sign into your account. From the main dashboard, select the card account for which you want to see the card number. Once you open the account, scroll down until you find the options called See Statements and See All Transactions. On the Statements and Documents page, tap on Statements. From the list of available statements, select the most recent statement. After that, the statement will open as a PDF file on your phone. Inside the statement, look for the Account Summary section. Here, you will see a line labeled Account Number. On Chase statements, this account number is usually the same as your card number. Next to the account number, you will see the 16-digit card number that you can use if needed. Keep in mind that the statement usually does not show the card expiration date or the CVV security code. For those details, you will still need the physical card or access through a digital wallet where the card was previously added. Now if you want to try my personal favorite money transfer service, I recommend using MoneyGram. You can send money quickly using your smartphone or visit in-person MoneyGram locations spread out all over the US and Canada. Click the link in the description to download the app and try it out.